Well, at any one university, it's hard to be able to do some of these investigator-initiated trials just with the number of patients that you have at one institution. So you need to have some kind of a network to work in. And the Big Ten has really given us the opportunity to work with other large cancer centers throughout mostly the Midwest, of course, in the Big Ten, and been able to translate some of our small clinical trials into larger phase 2 trials to be able to enhance that through a larger patient population. It's relatively new, so we're just getting started, but it's really been an opportunity to grow a lot of different areas that we otherwise couldn't do on our own. Well, we can't really do research on every possible question, and so I think a lot of the research over the next few years will be using big databases and analyses. So, for example, CancerLink that ASCO is putting together is a very large database. There's going to be initially 15 institutions or hospitals or practices that collaborate with that, putting all their patient information together. And that may generate hypotheses or look at specific types of treatments or specific genetic mutations that we may be able to then make a clinical trial based upon that information. So I think it's in a way to inform our next set of clinical trials. Probably in the future, we're going to be wanting to hone in and focus as much as possible and not have as many clinical trials, but ones that are really high quality and high value. I think our challenges are to try to provide what we need for patients as far as the high excellence of care and to be able to do that in an economic way. So in order to do that, we need to make sure that we're working together to streamline things, to make sure that we have optimum researchability, and to not use the therapies in patients that we know won't benefit from them. So targeted and precise medicine, precision medicine is really the way of the future, and we need to understand how to use that through research.